Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your CalDigit docking station suddenly stops turning on or connected devices no longer seem to respond, it can interrupt everything from charging to monitors and accessories all at once. Sometimes the dock appears completely inactive, while other times certain ports work but displays, internet or accessories stop behaving normally. Problems like this can happen because of power interruptions, loose connections, cable issues, or settings that need a quick refresh. Before assuming the docking station has completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking that often help bring things back to normal. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a CalDigit docking station not turning on or working. Try these. Step 1. Check the power adapter connected to the CalDigit docking station and confirm it fits securely. Step 2. Disconnect and reconnect the cable attached to the CalDigit docking station to refresh the connection. Step 3. Look for indicator lights on the CalDigit docking station to confirm power is reaching the device. Step 4. Remove power from the CalDigit docking station briefly before connecting it again. Step 5. Reconnect accessories to the CalDigit docking station one at a time to test response. Step 6. Check whether the CalDigit docking station starts powering connected devices normally again.